Hello fun and learning students of class 10th. In the last video, we have discussed resources and development, types of resources, development of resources, sustainable development, resource planning and conservation of resources. Now in this video, we will discuss particular a type of resource which is also known as land resource and is a very important land resource. So in this video we will discuss land resources, land use pattern and what are the problem that this land resource is facing in India as well as in world. So let's start land resources. Now land resources of India. Land is the most important natural resource. The most important feature of land is that its supply is limited or it's a fixed factor of production. So it is very important to use the available land for various purposes with very careful planning. Land is the most important factor of production because it supports all economic activities. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, transport and communication system. But the problem with the land is that it is limited in supply. The share of the land on Earth's surface is only about 29%, and the land use on Earth depends upon physical, economical and cultural factors. It includes topography, climate, soil density of population, land tenure and technical level of people. Now particularly we will study land resource of India. So on page number 164, Indian land have been classified according to this diagram. See here that around 330 million hectare data is available for only 310 million hectares in India. So three types of land fall under the category of plateau, plains and mountain. In India we have 27% of land under plateau, 43% land under plains and 30% of the land under mountains. Now let's take the characteristic of it. The plains are mainly used for agriculture purposes, industries, transport, settlement, etc. While the mountains used for mainly have a river system and tourist center. And the plateau are very rich in forest, wildlife, mineral and fossil fuels. Here all these important data is given in this figure. So I think in this video you have understood the land resource of India and what are the percentage that fall under different categories in India. In next video we will discuss the other relevant topics.